Hi, I'm Robert. When I started Design Delight Studio, I wanted to build something more than just another brand. I really wanted to build a company around an idea that I feel is, it's just missing in our industry, total unfiltered transparency, and that's what I want to walk you through today, the real why behind every single thing we do. This sentence right here, this is everything. It's the simple but powerful idea our entire company stands on. It's not some clever marketing line. It's a genuine commitment, and now I want to show you exactly how we bring that promise to life every single day. So, to really get what our products are all about, you first have to understand my personal mission, the reason this company even exists. So let's start right at the beginning with the why. Honestly, it all started with a pretty simple goal. I didn't want to just sell stuff. I wanted to build a business that I could stand behind 100%, something that was really built on a foundation of integrity and values I could be proud of. And that led us to this core principle we call radical transparency. Now for us, that is not just a buzzword. It means we show you everything, the good stuff for sure, but also the challenges, the things that aren't perfect. It's all about trusting you, our customer, with the whole story. So that's the mission, but a mission doesn't mean much without a real plan of action, right? So let's get into the how, the actual system we've set up to turn that promise of transparency into something you can actually see and feel. We knew right from the start we couldn't do this alone. If we wanted to hit our goals for both sustainability and top-notch quality, we needed an expert partner. That's why we chose Printful. They've been leading the way in this space for over a decade, and their expertise is absolutely essential to how we operate. And just look at this. Over 122 million items delivered. That's not just a huge number. It represents a decade of experience, of reliability, of trust. That's the kind of proven expertise we wanted backing every single product we offer you. This slide breaks down exactly how it all works. Our on-demand model is simple, but it's a total game changer. We literally do not make a single item until you order it. And the result, you see it right there at the bottom, is the most important part: zero overproduction waste. In an industry that is notorious for waste, this is our conscious decision to just do things a better way. All right, now for the fun part. Let's get into the products themselves. I don't see these as just items we sell. To me, each one is the tangible, physical result of our promise. Every single piece tells a story about our commitment to doing things the right way. First up, our classic organic cotton t-shirt. We went with 100% organic ring-spun cotton from Bangladesh because it's just incredibly soft but also really durable. But the part that truly matters are those certifications: GOTS, OCS, and PETA approved vegan. This means every single fiber is verified organic and its entire production is cruelty-free. It's so much more than a t-shirt, it's a statement. For our hoodies and sweatshirts, we were aiming for that perfect blend of cozy comfort and real sustainability. We landed on 80% organic cotton for that super soft feel, mixed with 20% recycled polyester for durability and a bit of structure. This blend just feels amazing, and it lets us give a new life to recycled materials, which is why you see that GRS, or Global Recycled Standard, certification there. Now, for our all-over print sweatshirt, this thing is a true champion of recycling. It's made with 96% recycled polyester. It has a fantastic soft feel, and of course, it's GRS certified. But this product is also where our promise of radical transparency, it really gets put to the test. And here it is. This is what I mean by radical transparency. Any piece of clothing made from recycled polyester, ours included, can release tiny plastic microfibers when it's washed. A lot of brands won't tell you this. We believe it's our absolute responsibility to tell you. We want you to have all the facts so you can make a choice you feel good about and care for your clothes in the best way possible. For us, honesty is just not negotiable. Moving on to our Eco Tote Bag. This thing is a serious workhorse. Sourced from India, it's made from a super durable 100% certified organic cotton twill that can carry up to 30 pounds. And just like our t-shirt, it has the GOTS, OCS, and PETA approved vegan certifications. So you know it's just as ethical as it is useful. And finally, for anyone who prefers a lighter feel, we have our Mid-Light t-shirt. It's crafted from 100% organic combed ring-spun cotton, which makes it incredibly soft and breathable. It's perfect for layering or for warmer days, and of course it carries that same commitment to organic standards with full GOTS and OCS certifications. So, I know I've thrown a lot of acronyms at you, GOTS, OCS, GRS, but what do they actually mean? It's really important to me that you know these aren't just labels we slap on for marketing. They are our proof. They're independently verified guarantees that we are who we say we are. Let's start with GOTS. Think of the Global Organic Textile Standard as the gold standard, really. It doesn't just check the final product. It verifies the entire process, from the seed being planted in the ground to harvesting, weaving, and dyeing. It all has to meet the absolute strictest organic and social criteria. Now, the OCS, or Organic Content Standard, works right alongside GOTS. Its main job is to track and verify the precise amount of organic material that's in the final product. It's how we can say with 100% confidence that when our tag says 100% organic, it means exactly that. For our recycled products, the GRS is so critical. It does more than just verify that the material is recycled. It audits the entire production line to make sure it's environmentally responsible and that the workers are treated with fairness and respect. And PETA approved vegan is beautifully simple and powerful. It's our guarantee to you that our products are 100% vegan. No animal-derived materials whatsoever, and the whole process is completely cruelty-free. End of story. So to put it all in one spot, this is where our products begin their lives. Organic cotton from Bangladesh, our tote bags from India, and our recycled items from specialized facilities in either Mexico or Latvia. No vague, globally sourced labels here. Just clear, honest facts. As we start to wrap this up, I want to leave you with one last thought. This is about so much more than just our company. We truly believe this is a movement, a choice we can all make to demand a more honest and sustainable industry for everyone. Because every time you decide to buy from a company that values transparency, you're doing more than just buying a product. You're casting a vote. It's a vote for sustainability, a vote for ethical production, and a vote for a future where all companies are held to a higher, more honest standard. I started this company with a simple belief that we all just deserve better. We deserve to know what we're buying, and we deserve to feel genuinely good about the choices we make. So this is our invitation to you. Are you ready to be part of the change? Thank you so much for listening.